Quietly but thoroughly at work with LG HomeBot Square. Our square design has side brushes that are 1.5 centimeters longer for better corner cleaning. With corner detecting and wall following system, HomeBot Square cleverly detects the corner and smoothly follows along the wall with minimal bumping. HomeBot cleans corners 89% better than other conventional round robot vacuum cleaners. When HomeBot moves onto a carpet, it cleverly detects the change in surface and automatically switches to Smart Turbo mode. Many digital sensors, including front ultrasonic sensors, act as digital bumper, preventing HomeBot Square from bumping into objects or rolling down the stairs. Dual Eye 2.0, LG's unique two-camera sensor system, creates a map of the ceiling and floor for smarter navigation and cleaning. Dual Eye 2.0's upgraded upper camera allows for smarter cleaning even in differently lit environments. 4 full auto and 1 manual cleaning modes enable most efficient cleaning according to circumstances. With its learning function, HomeBot Square memorizes the location of the obstacles and cliffs of your room, minimizing bumping. Easy Out Dustbin enables easy emptying just by pulling up and prevents the dust from flying when removing. Very quiet HomeBot Square won't bother your everyday life. You can download new software from internet and upgrades your own HomeBot Square.